Hey, what's going on? Welcome back again to Foxtecc, and today I'm gonna walk you through how you can enable RCS messages on your iPhone. With the release of iOS 18, Apple has introduced native support for RCS messaging within the iMessage app. So let's dive into the details and make sure you know everything you need to know to get started. First off, RCS messaging is supported natively in iOS 18 and iOS 18 only, and it is enabled by default within the iMessage app. This means that you don't need to do anything extra to turn it on once you're on iOS 18 and it's ready to go. To start using RCS messages, you'll need to install iOS 18, and there are two ways to get it. Like as of right now, you can install the beta version, or you can just wait for the official release in September. So it really depends on when you're watching this video, because by the time you clicked on it, it might already be available for everyone, for the public. So as I say, it really depends. But if you're eager to try out RCS messaging right away, the beta version is still an option, but it's recommended to install it on a secondary device. For your main phone, it's usually best to wait for the official release to avoid any potential bugs or issues. Anyway, after updating to iOS 18, using the RCS messaging is pretty easy. You just open up the Messages app and text as you normally would. If the recipient's device supports RCS, your message will automatically use this instead of SMS, offering enhanced features like higher quality media sharing and better group chat capabilities. It is still important to note that for your messages to be sent through the RCS, the recipient's device also needs to support it, as I said. So it depends on your device as well as on the device of the person you're texting. If something fails, your messages will default to SMS. So you can still communicate, but it's not going to be with the expanded media quality or any of the great perks of RCS. So that's about it. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later in the future. But for that, make sure to subscribe as well. See you guys there.